Hi everybody! Welcome back with Mrs. Intan in our channel. Okay guys, can you help Kakak Ibnu to make some milk or some tea or some coffee? Well, let's learn about that because today we are going to learn about procedure text.
What is procedure text? Procedure text is written to explain how the things are made or used. The characteristics: the text is designed in sequence of steps, use imperative sentences, simple present tense, and temporal conjunctions such as first, second, third, etc. The generic structures are goal or aim, materials or ingredients, step or methods. The purpose of procedure text is to guide and help us in making or using something.
Now, time for you to watch this simple video to learn more about our material. Happy watching!
How to make coffee. Materials: coffee powder, sugar, hot water, cups, spoon, steps. First, put coffee powder and sugar into the glass. Second, pour hot water into the glass. Next, stir with spoon well. Finally, coffee is ready.
Now, time for quiz.
Question number 1. Which one is the generic structures of procedure text? The answer is C. Goal, materials, steps. Question number 2. What is the function of procedure text? The answer is A. To guide in making or using something. Question number 3. Which one is not the characteristic of procedure text below? The answer is D. Use simple past tense.
Okay, give applause for your answers. Well, that's all of our materials today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our learning video. And see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.